we got the Unabomber.
The fire starter.
Called Homeland Security on this vlog right here. He got a vest full of bombs on him, full of dynamite.
Ready to get his first fish of the day.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, y'all. Keep you in touch. Peace out.
Alright.
Matrix, say something for your inauguration. Say something for your inauguration.
Oh, there we go. Hey, this is what I come out here for. This is what I come. See that? That's how you do it damn thing. See that? Yeah. Uh-huh. Come on over here, boy. Oh yeah, there he is.